Hello everyone. Today we will start chapter number 14 of class 10, that is stats. And the first topic we have to study is mean. We have studied about mean in class 9 standard where we are given discrete data and how we calculate mean there. Mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. But here we will be given data in the form of class intervals. So there is different pattern to find the mean and there are total 3 methods. First method is direct method. And mean is denoted by x bar and which is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma xi fi. So here fi means the frequencies which are given in the question. Xi is the class mark and this class mark is calculated by upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. What is the upper limit? The highest number here in the class interval. And what is the lower limit? The first number in the interval. So this is the class mark, fi is the frequency. So according to formula we have to calculate the summation of fi xi. Summation means this sign which is called sigma. This is equal to sum of series. So first we have to calculate xi, that is class mark. Then we will calculate fi into xi. We will take the summation of fi xi and we will take the summation of fi, that is frequencies. So here we are given question number 1. Where number of plants in the form of class intervals are given and the number of houses, that is frequencies, are given. So first of all we have to calculate the mean. So we will calculate the xi, that is class mark. So how to calculate the class mark? Class mark is equal to lower limit plus upper limit by 2, that is 0 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Next 2 plus 4 by 2 6, 6 by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6 by 2, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. And we can check that the difference is constant here. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So next number will be 7, 9, 11 and 13. We can verify it by doing the actual calculation. 12 plus 14 by 2 is 13. So here this will be 13. Next what we have to do, we will calculate sigma fi xi. So we will multiply fi and xi. So here we can see that 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3 which is equal to 6, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 into 7 is 35, 6 into 9 is 54, 2 into 11 is 22 and 13 into 3 is 39. Now we have to calculate the sigma fi xi. That is, we have to calculate the sum of all these numbers, and this is equal to sigma fi xi, which will be equal to 160. Now what we have to calculate? Sigma fi. So in the question it is given sigma fi is 20. So now what we have to do? We will apply the formula here. According to formula, x bar, that is mean, is equal to sigma fi xi, that is equal to 162 divided by sigma fi, which is equal to 20. So this will be equal to 81 by 10 and the answer will be 8.1. So this was the direct method to find the mean of the data which is given in the form of class intervals. Now in question number 2, we are given daily wages in the form of class intervals and number of workers, that is FIs are given. So we have to calculate what is the mean. So first of all we have to calculate the class mark, that is xi. So add upper limit and lower limit. 100 plus 120, 220, 220 by 2 is 110. Next 120 plus 140, that is 260, 260 by 2 is 130. Now see what is the difference here? Difference is 20. So next term will be 150 170 and last will be 190. So you can check the difference here, that is 20 is equal to the difference here, that is 120 minus 100, where the difference is also 20. So now what we have to do, we will multiply fi's and xi. So first of all 12 into 110, 1320. Next 14 into 130, 1820. 8 into 150, 1200. 6 into 170, 1020. And last 10 into 190 is 1900. So now what we have to do, we will calculate the sigma fi xi. So sigma fi xi, this will be equal to 7260. Here the sum is sigma fi is given in the question, that is 50. Now we have to just apply the formula. So formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma xi. So what is sigma fi xi? This is equal to 7260. What is sigma xi? This is equal to 50. So on dividing, the answer will be 145.2. You can verify it by doing the division. So the mean will be equal to this will be equal to 142.5. So you can check it by division of 726 by 5. So now the question number 3. Here also the daily pocket allowance is given in the form of class intervals, that is 11 to 13, and these are the frequencies. Number of children are given. So mean is given in the question. Mean is equal to 18, and we have to calculate the value of this variable, that is equal to f. First of all, we will calculate the class mark. Class mark will be equal to xi. So this will be equal to 11 plus 13, 24. 24 by 2 is 12. 13 plus 15, 26. 26 by 2 is 28 by 2 is 14, and here see what is the difference 2. So next will be 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Next we will calculate fi into xi. So we will multiply 7 into 12, 84, 6 into 14, 84, 16 into 9 is 144, 18 into 13 is 234, 20 into f is 20f, this is equal to 110, and next 4 into 24 is 96. So now we have to calculate first of all sigma fi. Sigma fi is equal to 44 plus f. And next we will calculate sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi will be 752 plus 20f. So now we will put the value of the given information in the formula. And what is the formula for mean? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So what is x bar? X bar is 18. Sigma fi xi 752 plus 20f. Sigma fi is 44 plus f. So now we have to find the value of f. We will cross multiply. So 18 into 44 will be 792 plus 18f is equal to 752 plus 20f. So on solving, this will be equal to 792 minus 752, 20f minus 18f. So from here 40 is equal to 2f and f will be equal to 20. So the value of the unknown variable f is 20 here. So in the next video we will discuss about the next method, assumed mean method.